Need to update your location or country information on BingX? In 2026, some location settings can be changed easily, while others may require identity verification or support assistance. Open the BingX app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile icon and open personal information, account settings, or identity verification. If your account includes editable location information, select the country, region, or residence field and update with your current details. However, if you've already completed KYC verification, your country or region may be locked for compliance and regulatory reasons. In that case, you'll usually need to contact BingX customer support and provide documentation to request a change. Keep in mind that changing your location information does not bypass regional restrictions, service availability, or local regulations that apply to your account. If you're simply traveling and want to access your account from another country, you can usually continue using BingX normally, subject to local laws and platform availability. And that's how you can update your location information on BingX in 2026. Always make sure your account details remain accurate and up to date. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.